Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome Rashi and Wally peeps, and thank you so much for tuning into our channel. As you have seen, we have been missing in action for a while, but of course we have good excuses this time. So
excuses.
I must say,
guys, let me tell you guys, as I see the thumbnail, let's address it first, right up, straight up. So guys, Rashi nearly lose her eye.
What do you even want to say?
Big knock pound, big
Jesus.
emergency, chaos last week, and I don't know what to say, guys. We have to rush with her, go to the hospital. You know,
My God.
like I was panicking because I was asleep at the time. Well, and I hear a story. Explain a story.
So
Explain a
guys,
story.
I wanted to fresh up like me here, right? Forget a perm. So him sleeping, Jade watching TV. So I say, alright, so I watch a show with Jade. I just join in. So me in the living room. I do this over and over. I do this years. Or most people, Caribbean people know, say we relax we hear ourselves sometimes, right? So I wanted a fresh perm. So I just do the thing. Jade now show me this football player and the game. So him say, Mom, look. As I look up, guys, one clump, the clump and the comb straight into this eye. I never experienced something like that. It's not even a little bit, you know, like a whole swirl go straight in my eye. Guys, me say, why? Me rush off like used to get bolt. Me reach in a Jade bathroom and me say, Jaden! And him run come in a panic. And I start wash out the eye, guys. The more me wash the eye, and the more the cream spread in the eye. As so me wash it, I saw it spread. But me still continue around the water. I run the water for approximately around 20 minutes. After that, it still feel oily. Because I don't know like the perm oil base. It start reach around at the back of my eye. I feel like it a burn out my brain. I start scream out. So guys, I get interrupted just now. But we pick up. So I scream out,
whoa!
So I start wash the eye, guys. When I feel it start burn like my brain. I don't know, something around here say it start burn like literally somebody put kerosene and light it on fire.
And guys, they might say we are smiling now, but serious business.
Yeah, me I say, me keep on I say to Jaden, you still I see the black part? You still and him I say, which black part? Because him a panic. Me I say, you still call me I wonder if the black part burn out. Okay, you know say if that burn out it over. So me I wash the eye. Anyways, when it reach a level now, I start do this to see if I can see it well blurry. Me I say, Jesus Christ, what is this for me? This one now, boy guys, well blessing come sometime with some stuff because
that's how it works though.
Jeremy, we never have this.
That's how it works. So, no, but usually that's how things when the light shine, you might experience a few bad things here and there.
So congratulations in order, Jeremy, and get a promotion at
One
work.
step up, guys. One more step up on them this year. One more. Small promotion, guys, but one level up. You know what I mean?
Right. So
good stuff. But also comes with that promotion now.
Oh my. So
lot of responsibility. So I wasn't really able to come around, and then when we were trying to come around, then her incident happened. You understand? Because one of the higher managers, him gone off on 2 weeks vacation, and I was the only competent person that could fill his spot, right? At the time, when I say we're the best, but we can fill his shoes, you know what I mean? Based on our attitude and work ethics, not the workplace, and you know, who better to be promoted, right? They're saying if I can act at his level, then why not give me one step up, right? So that's how I got my promotion. I don't know if it's by default or what, but he's away. It's a really big shoes to fill. I would really say me fill it still, but me do a thing. And based on that, a lot of respect has been coming my way in my company. And they decided that, you know what, they're going to promote me one level up. So that's a good thing there. But with that promotion now, basically, me I work long hours. Me I fill my shoes and fill his shoes. So 14, 15 hour days, 12 hour days. Eh?
how much shoes you have?
Yeah, you understand what I say? What them say? A pair or what?
A pair of shoes.
A pair of shoes and a pair of shoes. Okay, alright, go on. So that's the situation now, guys. So come with that now, whole heap of hours. Me I feel work. So, you know, me come home and sleep. My girl wake me up. That's what she said. She was trying to wake me at that time.
Guys, so dash over the room now. And I said, Jermaine, me turn on, me flick on the light because him like sleeping at pitch black.
Yeah.
Now by this time it was what time? I say after 10 or 11. So I said, Jeremy, you have to carry me go emergency now. Something wrong with my eye. Hear him. Every time you come and disturb me sleep, I lock off back the light. So guys, me just continue flush out the eye, flush out the eye.
Explain why I said that. Explain why I said that.
Guys, me always up wake him out time sleep.
Yeah, guys,
so in a subconscious.
Sleep. Once Rashid around me, I can't sleep. So in my subconscious at the time, I said, leave me alone so I can get to sleep. I did not know at the time the seriousness, you know, of her situation, how serious it was. So you know, say, boy, I finally get my sleep and wake up now and see her with her hair red like fire coal and swell.
So now we rush and we go Jada read and Google because I can't even see the phone. And guys, I never know say your body so interconnected. You know say the next eye now when I'm affected, me start see blurry out eye like me can't see out of the next eye. So I say, Father God do not make me blind. That's how me I pray about.
Even though it's showing which one of the eye it was.
This one.
Yeah, but far better. Guys, your girl never want to come on camera with her
no,
eye.
because
show the pictures. Show the pictures. We show actually how your eye
look.
look.
Them up here, some of them like me can't put some on it because guys in the night it look like coal and it locked down like this. And I literally have to use warm water, wipe it off before my eye can even open for putting the drops. So me have a drop, so I'm supposed to put in like 3 times a day. It burn like fire.
So what happened? Jada Google what? The hospital?
So Jaden Google and say after washing it you must put saline drops. When I put the saline drops, I go shoppers and put the saline, it never work. It just continue burn like cursing oil.
We're heading now 11,
so
12 o'clock at night
it's metal. This look like the degree burn could damage your eye. You have to go to emergency. And some go emergency guys and them say saline is not the thing to use. The thing that they wash my eye with that I put the picture about is lactine. I think that is the name of it, and then wash it, guys.
1 liter. 1 liter.
So
guys, supposed to put up this picture now. Like they have a plastic thing that they put over
it
the
look like
eyeball.
a contact lens,
like
but
a contact,
big.
but it's thick, really thick. So one piece of hell if you push it in a Rashida eye, she cry. And them also have a little like a hose thing connected to it and then connected to the drip. And they're using the way you say name lactine.
Lactine.
To flush the eye. So you see the thing dripping
like
from the big bag and dripping and going.
Sometimes it goes so in the eyes. Sometimes it drip and sometimes so every time him shift, me say, woo, my eye. You know what I mean? So literally the last thing on my mind was YouTube.
YouTube, for real.
I was just begging God.
Yeah.
So wouldn't I was just begging God for save my eye.
Get a recovery.
So
get a recovery.
Thank God for Jesus.
Why guys, my friend tell page come and say Jesus,
my eyes thus far.
And what is for me?
So I have follow-up appointments with the ophthalmologist so to see if there is permanent damage in which I normally feel it up here still. And what happened now is that I experience dry eyes. So both eyes feel like paper. Like I feel like I don't have no water in them any at all. But I would say today is the best of it.
Yeah, best.
Like we literally not see so much of the redness. But guys, awful.
Today is a day of celebration. And on that note, Rashi, we have to say Happy Father's Day.
Oh, and let me tell him on camera, Happy Father's Day to my
No. Big up all of the fathers them out there straight up.
Clean husband.
I run them household where I take care of them wifey, make sure say everything good. If you can't take care, make sure say you contribute. You understand? Our sister Nancy said she contribute. She contribute. Make sure say you contribute, and if you're, you know, try to be close with the kids. Try to have that relationship with them, you know, whether if they're on the right track or not. Try your best to be there because they will remember you in years to come. So this is our day. The mothers them get most of the celebration. Mother's Day is this big thing publicized, but we are the backbone of the family. A lot of families struggling right now because there's not a man figure, a strong man figure in the house. You know what I mean? So if you're there and you're in the house and you do your job, big up on yourself straight. This is our day and we are represent and we are bask in that glory right now. So that one of you all of the good fathers them out there. Back to Rashi Eye.
So the eye argument finished. So we're on to Father's Day.
Okay.
So I'm publicly saying Happy Father's Day
Okay.
to my
Give me a kiss
husband.
right there, so. Give me a kiss right there, so. Yeah. Good
Very good father. Very good father. Never leave me an inch, even when we weren't living together and we were just kids. Very good father.
Straight up.
Very supportive, both financially and emotional. Sometimes tired of me and the story them. I'm a little best friend now, me have to tell him every little something because you can't tell certain people certain things. So I'm a little backbone partner where me have to share every little thing we're not ready for the public, right? Or for other people's ears. Very good support system. Help me straighten out Jaden because Jaden
boy turn teenager now, guys. I'm get trouble now.
Yeah. So if it was just me alone, like literally me think he would have go by the wayside.
For sure. Not powered.
But Jeremy and they have to straighten him out. So it kinda take off a burden off of me. So if you're doing it alone as a mother, my hats off to you. If you're
not
raising
an easy job.
Boy kids, and if sometime God not give you more than you can bear, because some of those parents are really blessed with kids when you give them not talking, so that them can get over. So on and on, I'm saying like we have a lot to give God thanks for.
For real.
There's a lot of things that have happened that's good for us. We got setbacks, but we have a lot of blessing that came to us in the last 3 weeks, I must say.
Yeah.
And me publicly,
even as far as 6 months back.
but me always I give thanks. But me I tell you say, publicly, me have to big up Father God. Him are the biggest for Father Day.
He has been coming through.
God has been present in our lives wholeheartedly, I would say, for the last 4 to 3 weeks.
God present every time, Rashid.
He's present, but me I tell you, like,
it's just that now we're starting to somewhat see and feel.
No, I've always
the
seen
the effects of His love.
No, I've always seen
to a greater extent, Rashid.
But what happened, guys, is that I don't know if you know about like having desires and so on, that things where you put to God. You understand? And I'm seeing where something that I hold very close to me has been manifesting over the last 4, 3, 2, 1 week. Although this happened with my eye, I have to ask God, there is something greater in it why this happened. You understand? That is all I have to look at it. Something bad happened.
I just say to you still, Narashi, I just say to you still, you know what I mean? But just say God always present and God has always been there for us, even in hard times and we're not seeing our dreams come true or our desires coming true. He is always there. It's just that now is the time, the last 4, 3, 2, 1 weeks, that you're starting to see some of the things that you pray about, things that you ask about, you're seeing it being manifested. And guys, you understand what I say to you though?
I agree.
So you can't say 4 weeks or whatever. I mean,
not like me just experience God.
Just I say that still.
I've always said
it. That very seriously. I mean, I'm bashing or that, but some people out there, them cuss God when things don't work out for them. I'm not saying that you do, but some people is like, once the thing them now work out for them, is like them a question and so on. Me do it too. I mean, all of us do it sometimes, but we have to try to get rid of that and know that God have a plan for all of it, regardless of what is being manifested and what is not. He have a plan for all of it. And when we see our dreams come true, we have to just say, yo, thank you, God, and really appreciate this. The timing is perfect. Full stop. That's it. And celebrate for what just happened. You know what I mean?
Right. So guys, a lot, as I shared what happened with Jermaine, a lot has been manifesting in our lives over in recent times, and it just that I think it angered the devil because the eye come right in at the same time.
Right in at the time.
But me I gotta give God the glory same time because devil you lose. That was my worship at the time. You lose, devil you lose. Even though me never know what the possibility with my eye was. So even my mother, I didn't call her and tell her anything till I think I was over it. We don't call nobody and stress them out because you know when your parents get older,
and then they want update what happened, you have them afraid.
They will get worried. So even this video going out now, most of my relatives didn't know I was going through this. I didn't call anybody and I didn't complain. But just hold tight to God, because I know that it was a spiritual battle. I know that deep down, because even for the past 4 weeks, every morning I wake up 3 o'clock. I did not put an alarm. I never planned for wake 3 o'clock, and I know that from growing up they say it's time to pray. So I know what was lying ahead for me, and I put on the prayer and a little of the fasting too. I put it down because I know what I'm up against, because we wrestle not with the flesh and blood but principalities, and I know that. So me know what me did up against. So praise to God. My eye alright, and may I declare victory and complete and comprehensive healing. And for other things to come, where God blessing us with, I'm embracing it. Regardless of what the devil will come with. He can come mass anyway, because I'm ready for him. You understand? But
prayer warrior, prayer warrior.
No, I'm not a prayer warrior, but me will war. But
no, me don't say it's just me just feel happy just to hear you talk and agree with all the way I say. It just feel good to be back, so we can show our faces to you guys. And 2 weeks feel like 3 months. It feel like it has been a while that we are.
And
away.
for the persons that reached out to us on WhatsApp, even inquire about
responses
us,
will be there. It just might not be timely.
Yeah.
But all who always communicate to us, you know, so we're there on point with communicating and giving you guys response and feedback. But you don't know, we have been going through a lot, you know what I mean, good and bad. And we have to try to clean up ourselves first before we can even come and clean up your side of the fence, you know what I mean? We're not gonna be here sitting down with what they call it, big thing in your eye.
No, we don't like them.
And paying attention to other person's stuff. We have to fix up our stuff. So when we come to you wholeheartedly, and we come to
wholesome.
You. Yeah, in a way we're refreshing. We don't have too much problems on our side. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how I like to do stuff. That's how she like to do stuff as well. Especially Rashi. If Rashi have stuff where she need to conquer and she's unable to do it, she get miserable if she try to attend to somebody else when her business is not sorted out. So I know you guys can understand. I know you guys love it. We're loving it too. And on that note as well, I want to say thank you guys, everybody out there. We are approaching 5,000 subscribers on the channel. We started out so small and we didn't know we would reach this far so quickly.
Thanks for the love.
At one point we were growing and we think that we would have blow up, and then it didn't happen. So we somewhat lost confidence. And then, you know, just to see it happen again, it just feels good. And I'm sorry that you guys not able to see certain stuff, but the algorithm showing good stuff. It's showing, you know, analytics, showing good watch hours and so on. The video them not get as much like as you would like.
Oh my, what happened to the like button?
We are going, and I really appreciate it. So we can't celebrate as yet because we don't hit the 5,000 mark, but we are approaching and we are really close. So I must say a big thank you on behalf of Rashi and Wally to you guys, straight up.
And those who are looking out for videos, also thank you also, because it's also showing that we are in the search engine a lot. So thank you, big up yourself when you're searching for Rashi and Wally, big up on yourself.
Blouse and skirt. But anyway guys, we're back in at the place and we're there. We're going to drop videos and we're going to see more of it, hopefully. One of the other things that we have been struggling following my promotion and, you know, elevation and so on, been really busy. And you know that I'm the person who usually edit and push out the videos and so on. Years now, me I've been warning Rashi to start doing some editing, so whenever I am tied up, we don't neglect you guys. We can still put out content. She has not been doing that, so it kind of put us in a situation where the most pleasing to us and you guys. So maybe following this now, because we announced it publicly, so hopefully she can do some vlogs herself and edit them and put them out, so at least you guys can hold her to that. The quality might not be the best, but sometimes the quality of video is the most important than the substance and actually seeing us. You know what I mean? Because we have been absent. So I think that's it from me. Rashi get back her eye, guys. She stopped cry. She stopped hide.
Prayer. Focus on God.
Things are going good. More good news to come. You know, we don't like to say and do things prematurely.
And
like,
too much in the present. Not everything is something that you should push forward that's happening in your life. And I'm just saying that also if a person's outside, you have to be discreet with some things because you have to use wisdom also.
Wisdom
right?
as well. So that's it.
That is that.
You touch for everything?
I think so. Just look out for the videos coming. I won't keep you long. And for those who haven't responded to them, I just think it's just one person on WhatsApp. I'm gonna get to you before you see this video. Right?
Straight up. I
Right,
search my mind, but I search your mind. There's nothing else to say, but you'll get that in another video. Alright guys, big up on yourself, continue watching. Appreciate the support as always. And yeah, we're there same way, so we're out.
And also, happy Father's Day to all the men on my channel. I know that you have been doing a good job. And if you're not doing a good job, just try and flip the script. It's always a new day to start something new.
Yeah man,
So
big up yourself, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. Love you from Jermaine to you straight up. Hopefully, well, me know, come and talk to you this morning. You're having a good day. And just know some love you straight up from the bottom of my heart. You know, you have molded me into the person that I am today. Sometimes I feel bad because you always told me that I was great as a young man or as a child coming up. Some I still don't feel as if I have fulfilled my destiny, but I'm working towards it, and it is my intention and it is my desire to make you proud and make you a happy father. Alright, so big up yourself, Daddy, straight up. Love from me to you always, and big up all of the good father in the morning. Alright, big up on yourself.